everyone. Thanks so much for stopping by. I have a bit more in the cold. I think it's pneumonia or something I got. It's really serious. So, but this is the love of my life, right? Doing this work, and I'll continue to do it. Guys, the French videos that you will see posted on this site will have French, the ones with French titles. You need not click on them because you're more than welcome to, but it's basically repeats of all the English videos that been doing. It's not going to change the channel in any way. This is a plus to get more people involved. The French speaking community will be involved now, and that's it. And it's an extra. The videos continue. The videos go on, the English channel goes on, but we have an extra added feature. A beautiful French culture will be coming to this channel now. Now let's go to planet Mars for a change. I never post any of my Mars photos. I have very little surface Mars photos, and I haven't looked into it in that much detail. I had started out by looking at the surface of Mars, and you were lucky, NASA, that I didn't start by Mars. I decided to start by the moon. And this is just some, color, some nice shots of the surface of Mars, little snippets, if you want, of areas where I was very interested with the topography of the surface. I don't have that many photos, and of course, many objects look like structures, and some objects look like statues, which you'll see, maybe not a statue, but it's beautiful. It looks like a giant skull. Anomalies. I'll show you in the next few frames. But I did notice something about the planet Mars, guys. There is the gray patchiness again, like on the moon. I just found out 2 days ago that those blurry patches, while the ones I was focusing on were not smoke or hazes, they were actual structures. Very big structures, all intertwined. You see what looks like little white snowballs on the surface? Well, you see, I saw that on the moon at one point, and that's how I started being able to see certain structures on the surface. I'm not going to hide it. When you're seeing symmetrical bumps like that, one beside the other, it's don't ask what it is. It's not supposed to be there. Sure, it could be anomalies. Sure, it could be just regular surface, but there's lots of space on Mars and on the moon that you can find very curious objects. And why the surface like this, like it's got chicken pox, you can see all these bumps there. Could be mountains, of course. Maybe it is. But still interesting nonetheless. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system. Did you know that? This is after Mercury. Mars carries a name of the Roman god of war and is often referred to as the red planet because the reddish iron oxide prevalent on its surface gives it a reddish appearance that is distinctive among the astronomical bodies visible. Well, guys, freezing rain here, sleet falling, major snowstorm, up to 40 centimeters announced throughout Quebec, the province here. It's getting pretty intense. Um, but that could mean that maybe tomorrow I would not be working, depending on if the roads, since I do work on transportation, if the roads are very, very bad, I'd get a chance to stay home and rest. I mean, more videos. This is resting for me. Yeah, my voice sounds like hell, but I'm enjoying myself. I'm showing the world what's out there, what I can get in my part. Here is Mars on top. To give you an idea of the size, Venus in the center and the moon when they were aligned this summer. You can see that Mars, uh, you can see it very well, but it's just not very close. But this is to give you an idea of the size, a real size, life size. Check out WSO YouTube channel. Regis Weishweg, I love you, man. Phil Sangsu. Phil, welcome, and thank you very much for contributing.